I'm Janet MacArthur, I'm Chair of Starbank Park, and we welcome you to Bubble Festival today. We are celebrating being the UK's best neighbourhood park.
I'm Stan Dunlop, I'm the head gardener at Starbank Park. Today we're having something unusual, we're having a bubble festival. Now we hope the kids will enjoy all the different sizes of bubbles, and hope they have many good laughs and entertain themselves with drawing the circle, and also to use their imagination to draw a little picture inside the circle, and there'll be a little gifts. And that way we're hoping to have a very successful bubble festival.
We're the Kelleher family from Dublin, but I'm from Inverleith in Edinburgh, and we didn't know this garden existed.
So what do you think of the garden?
It's absolutely beautiful. Really beautiful place to bring the children and see all the plants. And it's just really hidden away, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And we just sort of wandered our way in off the shore, and it was like lovely down on the slope, and then we sort of wandered up here. We're like, oh, there's this as well.
Yeah, and it's such a surprise, having been locally for so many years. We didn't know it was here.